Anong nire-represent mo na, contingent ka ng aling lugar?
So I'm Archon Perez, by the way. So I'm representing City of Calamba this year. Same from last year. Actually, I'm the second timer. Comeback po ako this year sa Masters of Philippines.
So, ano yung bago mo natutunan this time around so far?
Kasi natutunan ko is just be yourself and enjoy the moment. Cherish the moment with your co-candidates and also the staffs of Masters of Philippines.
Sino yung mga iniidolo mong mga nanalo na sa pageant?
Zach Morale. He break the stereotype na sa pageantry, hindi naman kailangan maganda yung katawan. And I really admire him and kasi man of wisdom talaga si Zach. So that's why actually we're both from Laguna. We represent our province of Laguna last year.
Parang lima kayo ata na
Yes,
before, right?
five po, five.
Mhm.
And then parang dalawang nakapasok sa kanila o isa si Zach lang.
For the top 12 isa lang po, pero for top 20 apat.
Para
What's your plan?
This year,
What's your the first one? Meron ka bang baon? May bala ka pa?
well, let's see. But for now, kasi ang nakikita ko sa ibang candidate is more on flesh, kumbaga pakita ng katawan. And sa sarili ko, hindi ko naman siguro masasabi na maganda yung katawan ko, pero ang Archon ngayon is more in fashion. Since some of the titles of Mr. of Pilipinas is modeling talaga yung competition. So this time, I'm focused on my pasarela, also my communication skills.
sino sa tingin mo yung kasi 'di ba ngayon meron tayo Miss Universe na representative. Anong masasabi mo
Sorry?
sa representative natin sa Miss Universe?
Si Special B. Well,
Yeah.
actually, she is very beautiful and very Filipina. And the way she talk, parang na-mesmerize tayo and kumbaga napapahanga kasi she speaks from her heart and um, some of her words is parang realization din sa buhay natin mga tao.
So what's your